it takes a man of vision and talent like myself to turn a dump like this into something amazing. I'm gonna put my first 5 holes down there. I'm gonna put a pool or a lake in down there, probably.
Hey, goggles on!
Hey, you're fired! And then I'm gonna burn all this, tear it all down, and over here. Hey, you! I said, you're all fired! Get out of here! Ah! Not you, Stone Cold Boston! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Welcome to always dreaming, man! Best wipe yourself off!
WrestlePaintia!